Okay, so let's go back and revisit that same truck loading problem as before, but we're going to add in one more thing. We're going to add in the hazardous materials constraint, this guy right here. To do this fairly straightforward, in Excel we just need to add in those coefficients, the 180, the 75, so these coefficients here in front of our variables, the 125 and the 200. And that sum product of those guys needs to be less than or equal to 680. So for our right-hand side, we pop in that 680. And for the left-hand side, again, it's a sum product. We're taking the sum of the products of each of these coefficients with the quantities, which will be up here. So sum product of those quantities. If you want, you can lock that cell reference with these coefficients. Beautiful. And now what we need to do is have Solver update our solution here because it hasn't accounted for this new constraint. So just go Data, Solver, and add in a new constraint by just clicking Add. Everything else will stay the same. So just add, and the new constraint is that this 4,000 or this left-hand side, which is really the sum product of all of these terms, needs to be less than or equal to 680. Click OK. Everything should be OK, and click Solve. And click OK. And there's your new solution.